trying to get her to drink the juice. We're off to go and get coffee. Wish me luck. Happy Wednesday. Good morning. Someone really wanted to be in the video. We're heading out in a few minutes to go and grab some coffee because I don't have any coffee here. But I did want to talk about Sippy Cup Gate because I touched on it yesterday. Y'all know, like a couple months ago, we bought a bunch of sippy cups. We have not found one that we love. So I did a deep dive on TikTok and I found like some moms that were recommending a couple different types. So they arrived last night. You want to try one? It's probably not going to go well. My, oh my, it is gorgeous. Okay, here's one of them. This is Nook, the everlasting weighted straw. Okay. All right, well, she likes it as a toy, so that's good to start. And then I got some others by Munchkin. Let me open this. This came in a 2-pack, so this is the Munchkin Simple Clean. And the girl on TikTok that I saw, I don't remember who it was, but she was just saying that, like, you know, her daughter has loved these and that they're super easy to clean. Oh, you want to? Okay. Well, this is going better than I expected. I bought some apple juice yesterday, so I think I might, like, put some apple juice in because, like, she doesn't like drinking water. Like, in Disney last week, she did drink water just because it was, like, so, like, warm. But now that we're home, she's not about it. So I think I'm gonna give her some juice to try. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, well, while you play with those, I guess I will go wash this one. I put a little bit of water in there, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of this apple juice, which is open because I love juice. I love juice, okay? I grew up drinking it. Cranberry juice, and I don't buy it because I will drink the whole thing. So this is for her, but I had 1 cup last night. So I'm gonna add some juice. And I watered it down just because she hasn't had it before. And again, the juice is just because I'm trying to get her to drink. All right, let's see. Do you just pop it on or you screw it? Let's see. Okay. Okay, that seems like it's working. All right, let's give it to her. Hi, can I have that whisk? Thank you. Oh, let's try. I have a feeling that this is just gonna end up on the floor. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, maybe move that hand. Okay, we're gonna bite it. We're not sure. And okay. Oh, maybe. She got any. Did you get any? Is that good? That's juice. Okay, well, this will be my life now for the rest of the day, trying to get her to drink the juice. We're off to go and get coffee. Wish me luck. Happy Wednesday.